Hi and welcome back once again to Dactive for Use channel. I hope you are doing great, staying safe and staying out of trouble. Please make sure to protect yourself and protect yourself out there. Don't be selfish, and let's not forget to pray. We need prayers. So thank you guys so much for all the love and the support that you've been showing me. I appreciate it so much. God bless you for spending your time and like your energy to watch me. God bless you. I love it and I appreciate it so much. So please, if you happen to be here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Please make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. You don't want to miss out on the crazy cooking, my crazy recipes. You don't want to miss out. So thank you so much. And please make sure to share the recipe with your family and friends. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my simple but yet delicious fried vegetables that goes well with a lot of food. So I have my cabbage, onions, spring onions, celery, carrot, red and your orange bell peppers. You can add any bell peppers you want. And I made sure I washed all these ingredients. I clean and wash them in salt water before I cut them. I'll make sure to leave everything that I used in this recipe in the descriptive box below, so please do well to check it out. So here I have my saucepan on fire. I went ahead to add in a little bit of onions to it, and then I went ahead to add in my mixed spices, and then I sprinkle a little bit of turmeric powder to it. The turmeric powder in this recipe is optional, but I just love to add it in because it gives my veggies a little bit color. It gives it that red yellowish color. It's so sparkly, so I love to add it in, and it makes my fried veggies very appealing to the eye and appetizing. So here I went ahead to add in my carrots and my onions, and then I will just fry this for about 2 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and add in the other ingredient to it. So we are just frying this for about 2 minutes. Just look at what I'm talking about. You see how it's looking? It's just so beautiful. Look at the color. It's beautiful. So here after 2 minutes, then I just went ahead to add in my peppers to it. Guys, you can add green pepper to it, any pepper of your choice. It just makes it so colorful, and it all add flavors to it. I didn't have green pepper, so here I added in my celery to it, and I'm going to just fry this on a high heat. I'm doing all this on a high heat for about 3 minutes. Yeah, and then there I added in a little bit of the seasoning to it. So I add in seasoning as I go. So I just fry this for about, I think, 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want your vegetables to be too like soft. No, you want it a little bit crunchy. So after 2 minutes, then I went ahead to add in my cabbage to it, and then I fried that for about 3 minutes, all on a high heat. And then I sprinkle a little bit of sugar. What I just sprinkle it in before the spring onions with a little bit of sugar, about 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to it. Yeah, I love it. You can just decide not to add the sugar, but the sugar gives it that sweet and the sweet and spicy taste, and I love it. I love it when I add the sugar. I added in brown sugar to it, and then on a high heat I'm just frying this for about 2 minutes, and then voila, our fried veggies is ready. So here it is. Just look at it. It's so ready, and it's looking very nice and beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. Stay out of trouble. You can eat this with a lot of things. You can eat it with plain rice, turmeric rice. You can eat this with your anwamo, that is the oil rice, braised rice. You can add this to your spaghettis, your indomies. You can add this to a lot of things, but today I'm eating it with my jollof rice. I'm eating this with jollof rice. Look at that kanzo right there. Yes, that is the part that I love too much. So I'm eating this with jollof rice today, and it's so yummy alongside my shito. I will leave the link to my jollof rice recipes and my African black pepper, black chili sauce recipes in the descriptive box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless you. Please check the descriptive box for all the ingredients and their measurement. Stay safe. I love you.